Hello everyone, in today's video we will see how to set up pixel to our website. For pixel setup, you will go to your Facebook Business Manager and click on settings. Now click on data source, then click on datasets and pixels. Add, and here you will give the name of your website. Now we need to go to our website. Our website name is Shopping Extra. So the pixel name is Shopping Extra. Now click on create. Okay, skip. Now we need to go to the tag manager and click on variables. Now we need to click on new variable configuration and click on constant value. We will go back to business manager and copy the pixel ID and paste it here. We will name the variable Facebook pixel ID. Now click on save. Okay, we need to do one more thing to get the pixels working properly. Now click on templates. There are two types of templates here, tag templates and variable templates. Now we will click on tag templates, search gallery. Now search Facebook pixel. Here it is. Click and add to workspace. Okay, add. And second step is variable templates. Click on search gallery and search event ID. Add to workspace and add. Our pixel ID is now properly created, but it is not connected to our website. Now we will connect it to the website. To do this, we need to go to the tags, click new and click on tag configuration and get Facebook pixel. Now we need to give the Facebook pixel ID, which we have already made. Click on plus and Facebook pixel ID. Okay, triggering. Click on all pages trigger. Click on all pages. Now add. We will name this tag is Facebook base tag. Now click on save. Now we need to submit it. Click on submit and publish. Continue. Okay, I will click on preview to see if the pixel is connected on the website. Click on preview. Continue. Okay, here is our website, and now we will go to our tag assistant and see if Facebook base tag is found. We can see that the pixel have shown here Facebook base tag. That means the pixel has been connected to our website. That's all for today's video. In the next video, we will see how to track data with pixel. Until then, everyone be well and don't forget to subscribe.